So if you're looking for that high pressure fuel pump relay, it's located right here. And what you want to do, get you a flathead. Get a flathead and wedge it right in between this little spot here that holds the relay in place. And then all you're going to do is pull up. Until you get the relay out. Now when you look inside this relay, you're going to see some numbers for each one of these spots. The top pin is pin 5 and the bottom pin is pin 3. The pin on the left, you can see the numbers pin 1, and the one to the right of that is pin 2. Now what you want to do in order to test this, you put your multimeter across pin 5 and pin 3. You should not get continuity without voltage applied. Now when you apply 12 volts across pin 1 and 2, you should get continuity across pins 5 and 3. And that's how you test the high pressure relay. You can see here that part number is 252309F915. So that is how you test this particular relay on this Nissan Titan.